Hey guys, what's up? I'm Slim and you're watching Slimothy TV. In this video, I've got a really cool one for you guys. RONGTA was kind enough to send out their Inkless printer here. Now this is completely wireless and it's a portable printer that you can use with your Android phone, iOS, or your laptop if this is just something you want. Maybe you have a minimalist desk setup and you just want a very slim, very neat looking printer. This might be the one for you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look. So it says Inkless printer, more fast, more clear, high-speed printing, mobile office, wireless connection, and multiple platforms like I already mentioned. And that's about all that's on this box. So let's go ahead, tear it open here if we can. I might have to use Senior Stabby just to get in here, but nope, looks like we got this one. And here we go, the Inkless Wireless Portable Printer. Sliding it open here like an Apple box, nothing else in here. Set that off to the side, and up here, looks like we've got, I guess this is the special paper, which we are going to need. And we also have, looks like a carrying case. Crazy to see a printer come with a carrying pouch, but nice material here. Here we have just a little manual on how to use it, the quick install guide, but hopefully we don't need that. Here's a little USB key portion right there, and we have the printer itself. This is what everyone is wanting to see. Check this out. The entire printer right here. This is crazy. This is so small. It looks super premium. I mean, if you had a minimalist desk setup, this is going to look fantastic on the desk. I mean, look at that. People are going to ask, what the heck is that? And you're going to say, yo, that's my printer. That's pretty dope. All right, what else do we have? We have a USB-A to USB-C cable here. Let's take a closer look at this one. Yep, A to C. Wish it was C to C, but it is what it is. And that's all that's in the box. So let's go ahead, check this thing out. All right, so it looks like we have a couple different options here. We can connect the printer with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or with a cable. So depending on your preference, you can do that here. I just downloaded the app, so let's just see how this works. So I believe this is the F81. And so let's select that, select. So let's go ahead and plug this bad boy in, just like so. Let's see if we get any lights. Yes, we do. We have a charging indicator right here. Looks like it is what, half full maybe? It's powered on if it's not already. All right, we got the RONGTA branding right there. And I think it is on now. So let's go ahead and see if we can pair this up in the app. All right, looks like it's searching, it found it. Let's connect via Bluetooth for now. There we go. Just like that, successfully connected. If you guys saw any yellow on the screen, it's just because it's nighttime and my screen put on that yellow filter. But anyways, here we go. We have 79% battery remaining. It is connected. It can do pictures, it can do documents, it can do a bunch of different things. Let's go ahead and try this out. So for documents, it looks like you just go into the share sheet and it looks like you just choose SoPrint. That is nice to see. And I just chose a random image in my gallery. This is an easy one. We're gonna test a couple different ones here. I believe this is special paper, but let's find out. So I'm gonna load it in here. And there it goes, it got it loaded. Let's go ahead and see if we can print just this. I'm not gonna edit it, I'm not gonna put a filter. You can do all kinds of different stuff, crop it. But we don't need that. Let's just print it. Looks like we can choose the size. We can also choose the density, so how dark we want it, and we can choose the margins. But let's just go with this, print immediately. Let's see what happens. Oh my gosh, this is really quick. I can already see it through the, oh my gosh. This looks so good, what the heck? There's no ink. This is inkless. This is just with thermal. Check that out. I don't know what more you can say. This is freaking fantastic. Seeing something be able to print just like that. Now I can print on the other side, so I'm gonna load this paper back in. Just like so. It's going to get itself situated like that. And let's try something else. So let's go back. All right, so I just found this random lorem ipsum test PDF. So I'm gonna go ahead and share this. So I'm gonna hit more. And I'm going to scroll down until I see SoPrint. I'm going to click on that. It just loaded it straight in, which is fantastic. I'm going to click print, and looks like we can choose typesetting, vertical or horizontal, and blank cut, remove upper and lower white spaces. I'm not going to do that. Let's just print it. Let's see how this turns out. Now I'm going to do this one. Let's do this one darker, and that's it. So here we go. It is printing right now. I'm going to set the phone here so you guys can see it in real time. It's printing on the other side of this. I'm just trying not to waste too much paper here, but I want to show you guys all the features. This is just too cool. And that's it. Let's see how it looks. And there's nothing there. So I think this paper can only print on one side. So I actually got really lucky that I loaded it this way last time. So let's go ahead and do it one more time. I'm gonna see if it can print over this and just what it looks like. So let's do that right now. So we've got it loaded in. I'm gonna hit print immediately with the same settings as before. And here we go. Oh yeah, I can already see it going through. And the other thing I wanna try, I don't know if it can do color, I guess probably not, but we're gonna try that out. I see it's kind of clipping the side here a little. Let's see how this turns out. And look at that. So if you ignore all of the stick figures, you can see this actually printed out very well. Looks great. I chose the super dark one, and of course it's not going to smear or anything because again, this is heat, but look at how that text looks. It looks really good. So anyways, that is the first test. Go ahead and try something a little more difficult. All right, so now we have it totally unplugged. This is in battery mode. I'm gonna put shiny side down because that's how you do it. I'm gonna try to make sure that this one is lined up properly because I had an issue here. You guys could see I had to edit that part out. I messed up. I didn't load the paper in 100% properly and it messed up. But I want to try a different photo here. Let me see if I can find one that's good. I don't really understand the whole JD Vance meme thing, but this thing is pretty funny. So I'm just going to go ahead and print this. I have no idea how this is going to turn out, but here we go. It's got some color in it. It's got some weird stuff. So let's just see how this turns out. Printing right now, completely wireless, completely inkless. Super exciting to see. Let's see how this goes. And it's pretty fast too. I could see if you're in RV life, you're an RVer and you don't have a lot of room for printing stuff, you might actually want something like this. Here we go. It's kicking it out. And there is the photo. So it is black and white. It doesn't have any color, but this is hilarious. Yeah, this stuff, this really works. I would not recommend it for photos like this. You know, if you want color and everything, but if you just need something printed real quick, you know, a wanted poster or something, you guys can use this to do that. But I think this is more for text. So let's do one more text-based document. So you've got something called scan print. So I'm just going to go ahead and scan their little user document right now. So I'm just going to pretend like, hey, I've got something. I need to take a picture of it and scan it. So let's just do that right now. Let me get this kind of dialed in. There we go. Close enough. We want this printed right here. So I'm going to go next. And that is what it's going to look like. It's got the text enhancements. We can clean it up, we can erase, we can save, or we can go ahead and print it right here. So let's go ahead, grab another sheet of paper and see how this turns out. All right, so loading it in. Again, be gentle and careful when you do this. I don't think I got a good feed on that one, so let's redo it. This one more time. It's hard to do behind the camera, but here we go. There we go. That looks perfect. And here we go. Let's go ahead and hit print right now. And we will print immediately. Whoops. And there it goes. Again, this is totally wireless. There's nothing plugged in. This is just a scan I just took of this document from within this app. Let's see how it looks. Of course, this is real time. I'm not speeding anything up. And check that out. I literally just took this scan from my phone and printed it out without any ink. Very cool stuff. Check this out, guys. I'm very impressed with this product. So even after all of that, we are still at 76% power, which is great. You can print images, like I said, documents, print web, which actually brings you to a web browser built in. So you can do it there. You can also scan print, which I already did. DIY print, which is crazy. You can actually draw your own pictures and save that and print that. And then you got print history. So if you printed a document like I did right here, you can go ahead and check that out very easily. Now you also have images here. So if you want a cool background, you can do that as well. They actually have a bunch of different frames here. They have all types of stuff. Beauty makeup right here. And we also have tourism, which is basically just little glyphs of, you know, cars, bikes, stuff like that. But there's a ton at the top here. You guys can see sushi, festival, all kinds of stuff. Just wanted to show you those extra features, but overall, this thing is a complete win. Very happy with this product. Now I know what you guys are all thinking. Okay, great. It doesn't use any ink, but what about the paper? How much does that cost? Well, honestly, it doesn't really seem to be too high. I think you can use any thermal paper, at least from what I understand. It doesn't look like, I can't see any on RONGTA's page that they're selling. So I think you can just use pretty much anything. I'm seeing 200 pages for 25 bucks or 100 sheets for 12 bucks. So they're about 12 cents a sheet, which is just probably actually comparable to an inkjet printer. At least if you're buying, you know, through the company and you're buying legit stuff. But this is just something, if you want something portable, you want something small that you can just bring on the road with you, you need to print a couple documents, just bring some of this special paper with you, thermal paper. It's the same stuff that they print a lot of labels on, so it's not anything crazy, it's not new. But having something like this around, throw it in your backpack in your car, a couple sheets of paper, you always got your phone on you, so you can easily print, scan, whatever you need to do on the go. So check this one out. Big thank you and shout out to RONGTA for sending this out free for review. I'm very impressed with it, and I highly recommend you check this out if you're in the market. If you liked the video, hit the big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.